Good morning students, welcome to Alchemy online classes. Today we are going to discuss adverbs. In my previous video, I have explained you about verbs. Today we shall discuss adverbs. What you are going to learn from this video? First point, knowledge of adverbs and its various kinds. You are going to learn different kinds of adverbs. Second one, knowledge of position of adverbs, where to give a proper adverb word in a sentence. And third one, knowledge of usage of adverbs in an effective communication. So these are the three learning outcomes of this chapter. Let us move on further. So what are verbs actually? We have seen. Right now we shall discuss the definition and we will move on to adverbs. All action words are called verbs. A verb is a word which says what a person or a thing is, has or does, or what happens or is done to a person or a thing. We have already seen that adverb, that means whatever the action word is given in a sentence, that is represented as a verb. Clear? The verb are different type like main verb, helping verb, auxiliary, and we have seen all this in my previous video. Today we shall discuss about adverbs. Now what are adverbs actually? Words used to modify or describe verbs are called it as adverbs. The word which is describing the verb is called it as adverb. Now let us see further. An adverb is a word that tells us more about a verb, an adjective and another adverb. So what is adverb actually? It is describing a verb, an adjective and another adverb. To better understanding, we shall see this example. They worked silently. How they work? Silently. Second one, the test began yesterday. So when the test began? Yesterday. So in this way, we are going to see different kinds of adverbs, when to use, how, what and all. We will ask the question and based on that, we will try to understand adverbs, different kinds of adverbs. So here you can see different kinds of adverbs. First one, adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree, interrogative adverbs. So these are the different types of adverbs. We shall discuss one by one. First one, adverb of manner. An adverb of manner tells how or in what manner an action is done. So here you can understand that adverb is telling about how the action has been done. Clear? The child jumped carefully. So how he jumped? Carefully. You are going to ask the question how for manner. Let us see the second one, adverb of place. So here it is very clearly understandable that place which is talking about the place. Clear? An adverb of a place tells where or at what place the action is to be done. Clear? I shall wait for you outside. So where you are going to wait for me? Outside. So here you are going to ask the question with where. Let us see the third one, adverb of time. Third one, an adverb of time tells when or at what time an action is done. So here we are mentioning the time. So when, you are going to ask the question with when and you'll get the answer here. We shall play the match today. So when you are going to play the match? When you are going to play the match? Today. Yeah. Let us move to the fourth one, adverb of frequency. An adverb of frequency tells how often or how frequently an action is done. That means how frequently, how regularly the action is done. So you can see the example here. I called at your house twice. How often you called? So twice. Yeah. An adverb of degree. An adverb of degree answers the question how much or in what degree or to what extent. Clear? You can see the example here. I know the fact completely. So you know the fact completely. So it is degree. It is showing degree. No, I know only 20% of the fact. So that is showing a degree. So here you can ask the question with how much or what degree. Clear? Sixth one, interrogative adverbs. As you know that interrogative, that means what? To ask question. Here you can see an interrogative adverb is used to ask question. When did the bell ring? Clear? So when, what, who and all these are the interrogative words which we have already discussed. Now this is your exercise number 1 from your essential grammar textbook. Just go through it. Pick out the adverbs in the sentence and say what kind of adverbs they are. We have already discussed the kinds of adverbs and now we shall discuss here. The doctor carefully examined my father. So how the doctor examined? So carefully. Carefully is represented here. Manner. Adverb of manner. Second one. A large crowd has gathered outside. So where? Outside. So place it is. Representing the place. Third one. I shall soon return to my seat. Soon. That is also indicating time. Fourth one. The hall was nearly packed. So here nearly is showing the degree. Degree of comparison. And number 5, I tried twice but I could not access the seat. That means what? Frequency. You can see the twice word here. Number 6, where did you lose the tickets? So it is interrogative. Here you can see where it is representing the question. Cough and cold is fairly common problem among children. So fairly it is also talking about degree, which is very common. Number 8, Dr. Kothari is seldom frequent in which his diagnosis. That means seldom, that means rarely. So it is frequency here again. Number 9, the farmer tried hard to find the customer. So here how he tried. So he tried very hard. So here hard is representing manner. How he tried. So he tried very hard. Number 10, the straightway went to his father. So it is also showing the time. Number 11, I looked for my book everywhere. So it is talking about place. Adverb of place. And number 12, when did you shift to this house? So it is asking. So it is a question. It is interrogative. Adverb of interrogative. Number 13, some guest came late and left early. So here late is representing time and early is also representing time. Then next to the how is the weather today? So how is representing your interrogative and today is representing the time. Number 16, why did you put your bag here? So why is asking the question. So it is interrogative and here is a place. I hope the exercise is clear to you. For extra content, please visit Extra Mark app and Diksha app where you can get the whole topic. Thank you for the day. Take care.